What is a wormhole? Simply put, it's a tunnel through space and time, greatly shortening the amount of time needed to go from one place in the universe to another. So, why is it named a wormhole? Well, it's because if the universe was like an apple and a worm goes from one side to another, the path it makes is called a wormhole. That's the same analogy for the actual wormhole. But for the scientific name, it's called an Einstein-Rosen pit, because the two scientists who discovered it was Albert Einstein and Nathan Rosen. Now, the best way to visualize this is if you have 2 points on the opposite ends of a paper, A and B, and you curve it to make the 2 points closer, the new shortened path in the air between A and B is a wormhole. Now, imagine the paper is actually the universe, and we're curving into the fourth dimension. That path through the fourth dimension is a wormhole. Here, the entrance is a black hole with extremely high gravity sucks everything in, and the opposite is the exit, which is a white hole, which pushes everything out. Now, this is where the problems start to arise. Of course, in Einstein's theory of general relativity, wormholes are a part of the equations. But no matter how many tries to disprove Einstein's theory, there are still scientists who don't believe wormholes like this. And this is because they say that the wormhole will collapse under its own gravity unless something had negative gravity to hold it open, which then again makes no sense because this negative gravity matter would go against the laws of the conservation of momentum. Also, even if a small photon of light goes through a wormhole, the amount of energy in the wormhole will go up very significantly and might make it even collapse. And if a black hole and white hole existed, only things can go in from the black hole since a white hole repels everything close by, so it would be like a one-way path. And also, if you went through a wormhole, it's possible that you'd be going back in time, which creates a whole set of different paradoxes.